How to stop sharing call history between Androids. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to stop sharing call history between Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Settings on your Android phone. Now scroll down, tap Apps. After that, select App Management from top of the screen. Wait until every app gets loaded and tap Search bar. Type in contact and find out app info of contacts. On this app info page of contacts, select permissions. Now choose contacts and tap don't allow to disable the contact permissions. So if you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended and tap don't allow anyway. Once you are done with that, you will successfully stop sharing call history between Androids. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.